feel just like a mob star.
Okay, mates, I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Beauty Forever unboxing. Y'all, I am excited about this. I will have a full review on this after I install it and customize it to my likings, but I want to do an unboxing. I never really did an unboxing. I kind of low-key, this really isn't like an official unboxing because I kind of unboxed it before I did this video, but I unboxed it back up, kind of. But yeah, so this is the hair. Y'all, I am excited. I'll have the links down below, of course, how to purchase this hair and everything. I'll purchase this hair through Amazon, actually. Amazon sent me this hair. They sent me, bitch, we're gonna get into that, okay? And again, like I said, this is just an unboxing, so I'm not gonna do really details on the review until I install it, okay? So I do have a clip on how I took out the package and everything, so it'll be up there like I usually do. I just want to more in detail, like me talking to y'all, unboxing. Okay, so like I said, the information will be down below. This was sent through me by Amazon. I'm not sure how that worked. I'm not sure, but this is what it was sent. This is what was sent to me, Beauty Forever. So yeah, I have a 12-inch closure, 14, 16, 18 Malaysian curly bundles. Okay, so this is the closure. Okay, this is how the closure look. I wet it. That's all I did. I wet it and let it air dry, and it's still air drying right now. But this is how it look, y'all. When I tell y'all this hair finna be bomb, y'all, I am excited. Y'all, look at this. Look at the hair. This hair, it feels so soft. Y'all, I don't want to get too much details about it, but look at it. So I haven't bleached the knots. I haven't done nothing to it but wet this hair, and I scrunch it up just a little bit. And this is how it looks once it air dry. Yeah. You get your bundles. They see your eyelashes. You get your closures. Gonna be in here too. Take it out. But this is the eyelashes you get. Basic eyelashes. I have some other eyelashes in there, but I don't wear lashes because you gotta see. But this is what it looks like. Your packaging. This is the 14, the 16, and the 18 inches. And this is what it looks like. Y'all, this is straight out of the packaging. It is soft, guys. And if that's how it look when you wet it and let it air dry. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready to style this. So now this is how the hair is gonna follow me. So not too long because it's summertime still, and I don't really like wearing like a lot of wigs and stuff when it's hot. But this is how it looks. Y'all, I am ready for this. I'm ready for this. I'm ready to go ahead and make my wig, my clothes. I'm ready to customize this so I can wear it, y'all. But this is what it looks like. And the package says 100% human hair, virgin hair. You know, y'all know. But this is, sorry, I was looking outside. But this is the front. This is how the ends look. So, I mean, they're not bad. They're a little dry, I'm not gonna lie. First touch, they are a little dry, but it's not bad. Like, they're not bad. Again, this is the Malaysian curly, and it's so soft. I can't keep my fingers off of it. Like I usually do my honest opinion once I create into the unit, but I was so excited about this hair that I couldn't even put it into a unit yet because I was just that excited. So I want to do an unboxing. Usually I have like an unboxing clip in my review, but I wanted this own unboxing video because this is Beauty Forever, baby. But yeah, so once I do that, I'm gonna do curly routines. I got so much fun. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Check out my giveaway. I have a new one down below. Check it out, guys. Go into. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
I've been closing deals and getting money, man. I feel just like a mob star.